Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this 2018 Dodge Ram 3500 and 2500 pickup truck. We put a 2-inch zone off-road level on the front, some 20x12 Moto Metal 962 wheels in a chrome finish with a negative 44mm offset, and some 35 1250 R20 Fury RT tires in a 12 flat. If you want more information on these tires and wheels, click somewhere around here, probably over there, and it will take you to a video talking all about the Moto Metal 962 and these Fury RT tires on our wheel matchup video. So our tips and tricks with this 2-inch zone off-road level on the front. We don't have very many, it's very simple. You disconnect your shocks, you disconnect your sway bar links, and if you really want to, you disconnect your track bar. You lift up the truck, throw the spacer in above the spring, bolt it down, throw your spring back on, connect your shock and your sway bar and your track bar, and you're good to go. So it's a very easy, very simple lift to install. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to buy an already lifted vehicle, go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, and we will post all of the vehicles that are already built, ready to sell on dealers' lots on our website. So you can call them up and buy your new lifted vehicle today. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, the lift, fender flares, running boards, headlights, tail lights, door handle covers, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.